How to add music on Picsart app. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To add the music on your Picsart application, first and foremost, open up your Picsart app. Right over here, make sure your app is up to date. Now firstly, you need to select the content in which you want to add the music on. At the bottom, you will see a plus sign icon, tap on it. From here, navigate to the video section and click on the video and tap on the next button. Right over here, you should see an interface like this. At the bottom, you will see the audio option, click on it. After that, tap on the music option. It will display list of options from which you can select from. Just tap on the music that you prefer and select on the add option. You may also be able to hear a preview of the music before you add it in your content. If you're happy with it, just tap on the tick mark. Once all the trimming and adjusts had been managed, just click on the Save button to save the content with the music on your Picsart app. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.